Hey, good morning, everyone. How's it going? So, this is not really a car-related story one bit. It can be, really depends. But as many of you know, I am actually Swedish. I was born in Gothenburg, Sweden, Göteborg. I was born there. I grew up as a child there, and then I came over to this country when I was quite young. And I used to go back every summer and visit family and friends and stuff like that. But I haven't been back since I was 18, I think, 19. So 40 years, a little bit more, maybe. So anyway, Meg and I have decided, originally we wanted to head over to Sweden. She's never been there. We wanted to head over to Sweden last year, but then Mrs. Wrenching got really sick, and she's been recovering for the last 2 years, and she's still recovering. And I mean, she's permanently disabled now, but she's much better. So we are actually planning on going back to Sweden, hopefully, I would say about this time next year. So this is September in 2025. So we're hoping September of 2026 is what we're hoping for. So I'm reaching out to all my viewers that are in Sweden and Norway and that, because I would like to do some car-related stuff when I'm there. You know, maybe car shows or whatever. I would like to do that. I know there's a huge one in Sweden sometime around Easter, but I don't think we're going to be able to make that. So, like I said, because I'm pretty sure that's in the springtime. But so, James, I know you live in Norway and you're close to Göteborg. So I would love to meet up with you and Tone. So, but anybody else out there, if you have any ideas for me when we're there. Now, when we go, I would like to spend at least 2 weeks because like I said, I haven't been there. Oh, and in case you're wondering where I grew up, Keeler's Park. Now, I'm sure those of you that know Göteborg know Keeler's Park. And do you remember the big apartment house? I used to call it the castle. I didn't know any better, but it was built onto the side of the mountain, off the rock cliff. So basically, you could walk out of Keeler's Park and then walk down to the backside of that apartment house. And we lived in the upper portion of that apartment house. And I used to get a great view, and that used to be my thing every night. I would actually watch the harbor at night and look at all the harbor lights. We had a big bay window with curtains, and I would get in between the curtains and sit on the edge of the bay window and just look out at all the ships on the harbor and everything else. It was great. I mean, that's like one of my fondest memories as a child. And but yeah, that apartment house, it was it holds some really great memories. And I can tell you what, when it burned down, I was devastated. I mean, I was absolutely devastated. It was we have a stenciled drawing somewhere. I know my mom has it hanging on her wall, and eventually it'll be mine. But it's such great memories. So I'm going to go back to that site when I'm there. But if any of you guys that are over in Sweden, Norway, have things that you think would be cool, if you want to meet up, let me know. You know, send me your information and stuff like that, and you know, get in contact with one another. But hopefully this time next year. So anyway, oh, that was the other thing. When I was a kid growing up there too, my cousin Christer, he was big into muscle cars and stuff like that. And I remember he had a GTO. He had a Ford Fairlane GTA, a 67, I believe it was, 394 speed car. I don't remember what else he had. Those are the two that stick in my head. It was the GTO he had was a 66 389 4-speed, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure he had some other cars. I just don't recall them right now. But anyway, so I'm going to meet up with him too, and his fru, Annika. I've never met her. But yeah, so anyway, it should be really cool. I have another cousin there, Rebecca. I have a lot of family there. I haven't seen them in 40 years. So anyway, it should be a good trip. So like I said, if you guys are over there and you're watching this, if you have any ideas for me, let me know. get in touch with me through the comments and, try to figure out how we can get in touch with one another. All right, guys. I hope you have a great day. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, have a great day. Keep wrenching.